So, what is phase? Phase simply means the starting point of the wave. That's it. It does not mean phasing. It does not mean combing. These are totally separate concepts that I will cover later on. For now, all you need to know is that phase equals the starting point of your wave. Now, it's important to note that phase is measured in degrees, 360 degrees total. That's one full wave cycle. So when I say something like the phase of my sine wave is 0 degrees, that means that my sine wave starts from the very beginning. If I say the phase of my sine is 90, that means that my sine will start from the top of the curve. Now, starting from peaks will cause your speaker to clip and make a popping sound. The safest place for any wave to start is from a resting position. Now, when designing waveforms and working with harmonics, we can actually shift the phases of each harmonic. This affects how that harmonic is perceived and can affect the overall sound. So always pay attention to what your phase is set to, and don't be afraid to experiment with different starting points. And if you stick around, follow or subscribe, I'll show you everything you need to know to start designing your waves. Feel free to ask questions in the comments, and make sure to leave a like. Thanks for watching.